Welcome to homework.
Before deriving the string, we would go over the set of production P. We have that S can be derived to AB, A can be derived as CA, B can be derived as BA, B can be derived as CB, B can be derived as B, C can be derived as CB, C can be derived as B. Okay, so for our first string, we have BA. So bottom parsing is when you start with we start with S and then using the set of production P to derive the string. So we have S, S can be write as A and B, and AB can be write as A can be write as CA capital B, CA capital B can be C can be write as B, so therefore we have BA capital B, and B capital B can be write as capital B and A. So capital B can be write as smaller b. So therefore we know that BA belongs to the language generated by the grammar. So for the next string, which is AB, we're using top-down parsing. We would have starting from S is can be write as AB, AB is write as C small a and capital B. But however, we know that C can only be used the production step CB, or C would go to B, which imply that the string has to start with AB or AC. So therefore, so I messed up here for a bit. So the string has to start with either a C or a B. So because this string AB doesn't start with either C or B, so therefore this doesn't belong in the language generated by grammar. For C, top down part for C, the string C is CB ABA. So does it start with C or B? Yes. So this means that it might have the potential to belong in the grammar. So start with S. We know that S can be derived as AB, and AB is derived as CAB. CAB is derived as CBA capital B, and capital B can be write as BA. So we would have CBA capital BA, and capital B is write as B. So we have CBA BA. So it means that this string belongs to the language generated by grammar. So for string D, we have BBB CBA. So again, we start with S, go to AB. A can write as capital C, A small a, B. However, as you can see again here, C is either a production of CB or B, which imply that there can be at most two symbol preceding A in the string generated by grandma. So this means that B B B B B B C B A doesn't belong. Okay, so let me rephrase it. You see that C is the production step of resulting a CB or a B. If I were to replace C with either CB or B, the immediately following up is an A that doesn't follow the rules or like follow the rule of the string. So it just therefore BBBCBA doesn't belong um, to the language generated by grandma.